This video is sponsored by Lightens, manufacturers of the original OAD pulley. Visit lightensaftermarket.com for more information.
Chances are you've cranked over an engine by hand. You put a wrench on the front of the engine and turned it over and over. You've probably noticed its uneven forces as you go through the total 360 degrees of rotation. Well, now imagine being a timing belt and how that would affect the forces on the timing belt itself. Just think about a camshaft, just one cylinder for right now. That camshaft, as it rotates, those lobes, let's say for an intake valve, are pushing down and coming up. That changes the amount of force it requires to turn that camshaft sprocket. Now, imagine if you're a timing belt. These changes in forces happen quite a bit. So you have 4 cylinders, let's say on a bank. This is going to make life very tough for a timing belt if the tension is not proper. In other words, if it's not properly able to grip that sprocket on the end of the camshaft, well, it's going to slip eventually and you're going to have issues with the motor. To understand this concept for stop-start vehicles, it becomes even more critical when you realize how important the tensioner is for the belt. With a stop-start vehicle, well, the ECU and the crankshaft position sensors are actually stopping the engine in a very exact position. In some cases, it may actually even kick back a little bit when it stops. It is critical that the tensioner has the right amount of tension on the belt. If not, during the stop-start action, the belt may slip and cause issues with the engine and even potential catastrophic damage. So if you're replacing the timing belt on a stop-start motor, make sure you're also servicing the tensioner and setting the belt up properly. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.